Are you frustrated with getting inaccurate or confusing responses from ChatGPT? It might be due to common prompting errors. In this video, we will break down the most frequent mistakes users make and show you how to avoid them for clearer, more accurate AI interactions. Stay tuned to learn how to get the most out of your ChatGPT experience.
Let's now see common prompting errors. So, vague or ambiguous prompts, when you just write, what is joins? What is prompt engineering? That is your vague and ambiguous prompts where you do not have any context, instruction, what to do. Just vague prompts. Then there are biased prompts where you are designing the prompts. Supposing you have two categories and the data or the instructions that you are providing, the examples you are providing is leaning towards one, and now the second category is left alone. That is your biased prompts. Third is lack of contextual information. You have just said, okay, generate the content for fractions. But what is the target audience that you are acting? Are you a teacher that you are teaching? Is there any template? Is there any flow that you want to follow? Are you looking at creating a course? Are you looking at teaching fractions as a slide you want or as paragraph you want? Anything, any contextual information is missing. Then you have insufficient examples. You do not have examples. For example, you are just saying, generate synthetic data for doing sentiment analysis. But what on? You need to provide some content, some information that, okay, this is my data. Now, based on this, you generate synthetic data in a CSV format for me to do sentiment analysis. That is lacking your training data or examples, insufficient examples. Then there is complex or confusing prompts. If you write full lengthy prompts, but it is very complex, it has several different informations such as you have target information also. You are acting as a target audience information. You are acting as a analyst and you have target audience. You have branding also. You have campaigning also in that. It is very confusing for ChatGPT to pick one persona and act. Or for example, you are designing a campaign, but you have given a lot of information. Check out Coca-Cola campaign that happened at this year, or check out this campaign and design my campaign. It is confusing when you give different reference points. You need to be very clear. You need to be less complex. Your prompt needs to be very simplified so that ChatGPT can understand. Last is not testing prompts thoroughly. You have given a very good prompt. You have designed a very good prompt and given to ChatGPT. It generates something, but you are not reading it. You are blindly following what it generates. You're not giving it a feedback. You are not asking what it has understood from your designed prompt. That is not testing prompt thoroughly, and you will have less accurate responses and in some cases wrong responses.
In this video, we explored the most common errors users make when prompting ChatGPT and provide practical tips on how to avoid them. From ambiguous questions to overly complex prompts, we cover a range of issues that can lead to inaccurate or confusing responses. By understanding these common pitfalls, you will be able to craft clearer and more effective prompts, ensuring better interactions with ChatGPT. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such AI insights.